minutes and this day is officially a slamming success. What in the world are those things? I don't know what those things. Holy crap. That's crazy looking. I wonder if they will take a brain sample and see if I have one. Yeah, I don't know what they are, but I know what they're going to do. They're going to spook. 2. Oh wow, that's a really marked up bluegill. Come on, Shiner. Yeah, come on. That's you, man. You're a big one. Holy crap. That was huge. Wow, for being so big, they sure have an inability to get the hook in their mouth. It's probably the same thing I've been catching all day. Oh, it might be a blacktail, actually. Yep. Oh, man. I think it's a blacktail. Yeah, it's a blacktail. Nice. Big one. So I'm guessing that's what they all are. I'll try to get another one. It's weird, blacktail don't usually let anybody out race them to a bait. So that's a big one. Oh, what? What's wrong with me? Man, that is a huge bluegill. Oh, man, this is not a huge bluegill. Say, on here. Nope, red breast. Nice. Second one of those, I think. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and move on. I got my guy. Warrior came out to play, yay. Anyway, he is the warrior. Alright, of course a huge school of herring, just hundreds of them went by. So I went back to get a sabiki rig and came back and they were gone. Of course, disappeared. They were going so slow. Could have just... Oh well. But it didn't because hopefully they will come back. I moved down the shoreline in the direction that they were headed, hoping that maybe, just pop my crawler. Think that they will come back over here. Yeah, whatever that is, that's not a, yeah, it's already biting my crawler up. But, oh, got a fish. First of the spot. And it is, to no one's surprise, a bluegill. That's always what it is. Alright? No, not always. So today I've had, yeah, bluegill. Can't expect a whole lot more luck. So I've had a lot. Oh crud, he took my bait. Well, especially where I live, specifically. There's plenty of them. Long hair. Not where I live. Alright, I found this school of shad, but they are getting slammed by some sort of game fish, so I think rather than fish for them right now, I'll see if I can hook the fish. Or maybe if I going the right way. Didn't tangle it up. I can hook the fish that's the problem. The shad are just out of my casting range as well. Oh no, they're not. They're right there. Old giant shoal. Old giant school of them right there. Got one. What is it? Oh, it's bass. What kind of bass? The Coosa drainage here. Oh, interesting. I'm gonna put it in a photo tag and see what it looks like. Sunlight, kind of get some sun. Yeah, I believe that. It's bass species number 4 today. I think that's a largemouth. Alright, since I may not even get to my next spot in time to fish it, some interesting looking micros underneath here. Give them a shot. Oh yeah, there they are. What are they? They are this. They are green sunfish. Alright. It's hard to believe that that's what they are, but they apparently are. If you took my bait, I'll just assume that they're all the same. Nope, you didn't. So we'll give it another shot here. Because they look very shiner-like. Oh, I see the problem now. They're running in from all directions, taking them away from the shiners. Nice. Yeah, the shiners are sitting down there at the bottom. The greenies are charging in. Ravenous appetites. Alright, well. Another one. That one looks like a, I think I got a green, yeah, a green red breast combo here. Alright, and away I go. Alright, my last spot. Through the 4 corners of this bridge under which I'm fishing. This private property, heavily posted. This, however, and this is a really fast-moving river, so you either have to find a hole, a pool, which I can't access, or you have to find something like this. Let's see if there's anything here. Oh, yeah, there is, and it is kind of brown looking. It's a little long ear. My phone's in the car. Alright, well, it's an interesting fish. So, if it were a bass, it could have been a Coosa. That's a nice little fighter. Oh, look at that guy. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, look at those oranges. Man, I don't have to get my camera. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Got a nice little honey hole over there. Probably all long ears, but some of these are kind of small-ish. That's a bluegill. Alright, that's bluegill number, let's say 8. Right? I want him. bad. Nice for her, actually. Like a bass. It is a bass. It's a Coosa Bass. Where did it go? Oh. Where did it go? It literally could not have gone anywhere. So back here. Here. But of course, he just fucking disappeared, right? Of course. What happened? I don't even understand that. It's here. Nowhere for him to have gone. What the absolute